What if life on Earth wasn't a cosmic accident, but a deliberate act? This jaw-dropping question is at the heart of a groundbreaking study that challenges everything we thought we knew about our origins. Could extraterrestrial beings have played a role in creating life on our planet? It sounds like science fiction, but a new research paper by Robert G. Endres, published in July 2025, presents a compelling case that's impossible to ignore. His work, titled The Unreasonable Likelihood of Being, Origin of Life, Terraforming and AI, available on ArcCiv, https://arcciv.org/abs257.8545, uses advanced mathematical models and information theory to argue that life's emergence might be far more improbable than we've ever imagined. But here's where it gets controversial. If life couldn't have arisen by chance, what other forces might have been at play? For centuries, scientists have debated how life could emerge from non-living matter. The dominant theory has been spontaneous generation, the idea that life simply happened through random chemical reactions. But Endres' study flips this notion on its head. Using probability theory, he demonstrates that the odds of life spontaneously forming from simple chemicals are astronomically low. Think of it like this. If you threw a bunch of letters onto a page, the chance of them forming a coherent sentence, let alone a Shakespearean sonnet, is virtually zero. And this is the part most people miss. The complexity of even the simplest living cell is so vast that its random assembly becomes nearly impossible. In simpler terms, creating life isn't just about mixing chemicals. It's about arranging molecules in a highly structured, information-rich way. Endres emphasizes that this level of organization is incredibly unlikely under the chaotic conditions of early Earth. His work highlights the need for a system not only to assemble this complexity, but also to preserve it, a rarity in nature. But here's the kicker. If random processes can't explain life's origin, what can? Enter information theory and algorithmic complexity, two concepts Endres uses to reframe the debate. Information theory examines how information is quantified and transmitted, while algorithmic complexity measures the number of steps needed to describe a system. Applying these to protocells, the hypothetical precursors to life, Endres shows that the sheer volume of information required makes natural formation highly improbable. The more complex the system, the more steps are needed, and early Earth's environment likely couldn't handle the load. This raises a bold question. Did life need a helping hand to emerge? One of the study's most striking findings is the barrier of disorder. Nature tends toward chaos, entropy. Yet life requires order. Without an external mechanism to promote organization, the leap from random molecules to living cells becomes almost insurmountable. Add to this the limited time frame of early Earth, and the odds of life emerging by chance shrink even further. So, if not by chance, then how? This is where alternative theories like panspermia come in. Panspermia suggests that life, or its building blocks, was delivered to Earth by comets or asteroids, originating elsewhere in the universe. Directed panspermia takes it a step further, proposing that advanced extraterrestrial civilizations intentionally seeded life on our planet. While these ideas remain speculative, Endres acknowledges they're logically possible, given the mathematical hurdles his research presents. But here's the controversy. These theories challenge Occam's razor, favoring simpler explanations. Are we ready to embrace a more complex, and perhaps extraterrestrial answer? Endres' study leaves us with a profound challenge. Our current understanding of life's origins might be incomplete. It calls for a reevaluation of traditional models and encourages exploration of new principles, from quantum biology to the role of external factors like space dust. Whether you find these ideas fascinating or far-fetched, one thing is clear. The search for life's origins is far from over. What do you think? Could life on Earth have been the work of advanced beings? Or is there another explanation we haven't considered? Let's spark a discussion in the comments.